Hello friends, today we are going to study here the next part of animal classifications. Traditional method of animal classification depending upon presence or absence of the notochord. The animal kingdom has been divided into two groups. One is non-chordates and second is chordates. Body is not supported by rod-like notochord, means notochord absent. Pharyngeal gill slits are absent. Nerve cord present on ventral side, solid and paired. Heart is present on dorsal side. In chordates, body is supported by notochord. Pharyngeal gill slits or lungs are present for respiration. Nerve cord is on dorsal side and hollow, and heart is on ventral side of the body. In non-chordates, body is not supported by notochord, while in chordates, body is supported by notochord. What is notochord? Notochord is a long rod-like supporting structure present on dorsal side of the animal body. It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from remaining body. In non-chordates, pharyngeal gill slits are absent. In chordates, pharyngeal gill slits or lungs are present for respiration. In non-chordates, nerve cord is on ventral side, solid and paired, while in chordates, nerve cord is on dorsal side and hollow. In non-chordates, heart is present on dorsal side, while in chordates, heart is present on ventral side of the body. Then, conventional system of animal classification here. The flow chart. Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia divided into two subkingdom. Subkingdom non-chordates and subkingdom chordata. Subkingdom non-chordates divided into 10 phyla or phylums: Protozoa, Porifera, Cnidaria also called as Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Astelminthus, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Hemichordata. Subkingdom chordate or chordata divides into phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata divided into three subphylums: Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata also called as Craniata. Subphylum Vertebrata divided into 6 classes here. Class Cyclostomata, Class Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. Following criteria are used for classification by 5 kingdom classification system. 5 kingdoms are here: Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Fungi and Kingdom Animalia. For classification of that, following criteria are used: body organization, body symmetry, body cavity, germinal layers and segmentation. Body organization, also called as here grades of organization. We know the body of animals is made up of basic, structural and functional unit cell. There are two types of organisms depending upon the cells. One is unicellular and second one is multicellular. In case of multicellular animals, many cells performs different functions, while in unicellular animals, they performs different functions by single cell only. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, they shows the protoplasmic grade of organization. Means their body is made up of single cell and they performs all functions by the same cell only. Hence called as protoplasmic grade of organization. We see here picture of amoebas and paramecium which shows protoplasmic grade of organization. Second, cellular grade of organization. In case of multicellular organisms, body is made up of many cells and they perform different functions. But tissues are not formed at that time. They shows the cellular grade organization only. Hence the name is here cellular grade of organization. For example, phylum Porifera. Cell tissue grade organization. In some animals, cells come together to form tissues and with the help of tissues, they perform different body functions. Such animals show cell tissue grade organization. For example, phylum Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Tissue organ grade organization. In flatworms, phylum Platyhelminthes shows tissue organ grade organization. In this type of organization, tissues are organized to form some functions, some organs here. However, complete organ system is not formed here, but by tissues they perform some functions here, and when tissues combine together, organs are formed, but not organ system. That about the criteria for new system of classification. Thank you, students.